everyone, welcome to my channel Career Zone. So today's topic is HTML list. HTML list means showing any kind of information in the form of a, you can say, in form of points or in form of numbers. The different kind of lists are UL, OL and DL. First one is the unordered list. It is also called as bulleted list, where the information can be shown in the unordered form. It is basically identified by symbol, disk, square and circle. The syntax is UL space the type attribute and equal to disk. Square and circle is the value of the type attribute of unordered list tag. So you can, whenever you want to give any information in the unordered form, you can take the help of these you can say symbols. Either it can be disk, circle or square. By default it is disk if you don't define the type of the UL tag. Next is the ordered list, which is helpful for displaying the data items which are ranked maybe in numbers, which is 1 2 3, Roman letters or alphabets. By default it is ranked in numbers. It has basically two attributes, which is called as start and type. Start attribute tells the browser that from where the value will be started, and type will tell it that what is the kind of the value, either it is number, Roman letters or alphabets. See the syntax here. You can see that with OL, when I write start is equal to 1 and type equal to 1, it means it will create a numbered list, and then the value will start from 1. When I'll write OL start equal to 4 and type equal to 1, so this will start the value from Roman number 4. And then if I write the OL start equal to A and type equal to A, it will start the data item listing starting from the small letter A. You can write the capital alphabet A as well. So now we will begin with the third list of HTML, which is description list. A description list is basically a list of terms with a description of the term. It will give you the description of the different terms. It is used for writing the definition of a particular term. So the first tag which is used in under definition list is DL, under which you define the description list for which you want to write the description. And then it is DT, which defines the name of you can say the definition type. It stands for definition type. This tag defines the term. And then DD, which describes the each term. So first of all we will have to create a list which is with the DL tag, and then we will type the DT. For example, I want to write the computer definition, so I will write DT, and under this tag I'll write computer, and under the DT tag I will describe the computer definition. I will write it. So it will be basically more clear when you are going to see it in the video. First of all, let us see the example. See, I have opened the DL tag here, and then DT, under DT I have write the definition type as coffee, and DD it has the description is written black hot drink, and then I have written DT definition type again milk, which is written white cold drink. So these like this we have created, and then I have closed the DL tag. So this is how we create a description list. So we further I'm going to show you in the video the use of all this list, unordered, ordered and the definition description list, which will make you understand in a better manner by seeing the video that how this list are used in the HTML web pages. So students, let us begin with our video and see how this UL and OL and DL tag works on HTML web page. So we will start with the HTML tag, then write the heading. I'm writing the heading of use of unordered list, UL tag. Now I'm going to open the title and writing the SF title. You can write anything. Let's write HTML lists, and then I'm closing the title and I'm closing the head part now. So open the body part and let us start the listing. So I'll open the UL tag now UL, and under the UL tag, suppose I want to write the heading fruits. So I've written it here fruits, and whatever points, whatever line items you want to add, it means whatever data items you want to add, that we can add under the sub tag, which will be li. Suppose I have written apple, close the li, then I have written again suppose mango, close the li and close the UL tag. That close the body, and then close the HTML tag. Right now I have not used the type attribute of UL tag, as I have told you that by default it is disk. So let us see how it works. UL tag.html, save the file, go to the browser and open it. Now let us see how it works. See, are you able to see this? Let me increase the size of the, see how it is working. By default, this is the heading, use of UL tag, this is the unordered list type, and this is the by default disk data items. So if you want to change this type to circle or maybe square, you have to define the attribute is equal to circle. Okay, now again save the file and refresh it. See, same goes with square, 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 and then save the file and refresh it. See how it works. Okay, now let us see the use of OL tag, ordered list. So if you want to create an ordered list as a fresh, you can erase this, but I am going to create here only so that you can make a difference. OL tag, and here I will again write the list. Let me write the heading. Suppose I have written now input devices as heading, and then I'm starting the li, I will write keyboard, close the li, open the line item again, mouse, as many line items you want you can write, there is no boundation. Right now again I have not defined the OL attributes. By default it is numbered list. So let us see how it works. See, OL tag starts the heading here. I have given input devices under the OL tag. The first input device was keyboard, second was mouse. So if you want, now if I want to define it, the data items to be written in a Roman letters, so I will write here type is equal to Roman letter I, start is equal to Roman number. So let me see how it works. See, 1 and 2. As I have written here it in capital, so it will work in capital. If you write here it in small, so it will work in small Roman numbers. If you want to add more data items, you can just go again, add one more line item. You can insert anything. suppose joystick and li. So it will automatically increase the data items under the ordered list. See how it is working. So now we have seen how to create the UL and OL tag. One more attribute was there of type was there of UL. What was that? Bulleted list. No, alphabetical list. So we will write here A, and let us see, we will write here A again. So it will give the numbers in the form of A, B, C, D. See how it is changing. If you want that the numbering should start from maybe afterwards, not from the starting alphabet, so you can define the number here, and let's see how it works. So it will start from the fourth letter. Same goes with the Roman number also. If you give here, you want to give the points starting from fourth number, you can write the type as I Roman number first and starting from 4. So it will start from the point number 4, 4, 5, 6. This is how it works. And if you want to apply any kind of writing style like font style, which we have learned in the last video, you want to give a color to your OL heading, you can simply start the font tag here. Font color is equal to red. Okay, and you can close the font here. Anything can be applied. If you want to give these in the form of italic, you can open the italic tag, close the italic tag here, so points will be given in an italic form. So many more formatting styles you can apply. Every tag can be used into your web pages. This is just depend upon your requirement. What is the requirement of your web page? So I hope you have understood this UL and OL tag. Now let us see the definition list. So definition list I am going to show you in a different page. Let me copy this, open the new notepad. I'm going to write here use of DL tag. Under the body definition list, we have to open the DL tag, under which the sub tag is definition type. So let us write here definition type is equal to computer, and definition data will be, write the definition of the computer. Okay, so I am closing here. Definition data, it is closed here, and let me write again the definition data. Let's write HTML and then DT. HTML is markup language. Closing the definition lists, and then body closed, then HTML closed. Save the file. Let's see how it works. Definition list .html. Save the file. See how it works. Now I'm opening it, the dl.html. See the use of DL tag, then computer, which is written, the term written in under the DD tag, and then the definition data. So if you want that your content should be written in italic or bold, or you want to apply any font style, simply you can write, open the italic tag, bold tag, and close it wherever you want the text to be formatted. Now suppose I have underlined my DT and definition term. So see how computer is underlined, and then the sentence, the definition is italic and bold. So this is how you can apply the different style tags also. Just you have to open it before and after the end of the DD tag. So I hope you have understood the use of OL, UL and DL list in HTML. If you have any problem, you can comment on the section below. If you have liked my video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do share it so that other can also watch it. Stay tuned to Career Zone for new updates related to computer. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much for watching.